amazing machines working at another level. In the world of construction and industrial machinery, certain innovations stand out for their remarkable efficiency, precision, and groundbreaking designs. These machines are designed to tackle the toughest jobs with ease and precision, transforming the way we approach construction, agriculture, and various other industries. Vilebekens Bottom Leveler. The Vilebekens Bottom Leveler is a remarkable piece of equipment designed to ensure perfectly leveled surfaces. This machine is essential for large-scale landscaping, construction sites, and agricultural fields where even surfaces are crucial. Its advanced leveling technology allows for precise control and adjustment, making it a favorite among professionals who need reliable and accurate results. Using the Vilebekens Bottom Leveler, operators can achieve smooth and even surfaces with minimal effort. Roger Bailey's innovations. Roger Bailey, a pioneer in construction machinery, has developed several innovative machines that have revolutionized the industry. His designs focus on enhancing efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability. One of his notable inventions includes advanced grading and leveling systems that provide exceptional accuracy and control, reducing the need for manual adjustments and rework. MTS Suction Machine. The MTS Suction Machine is a state-of-the-art solution for excavation and debris removal. This powerful machine uses high-pressure suction to remove soil, debris, and other materials quickly and efficiently. It is particularly useful in urban areas where traditional excavation methods can cause significant disruption and damage to underground utilities. With its advanced filtration system, the MTS Suction Machine ensures that only clean air is released back into the environment, making it an eco-friendly option for various excavation projects. Markku Pitkäranta's innovations. Markku Pitkäranta is a renowned name in the world of industrial machinery, known for his groundbreaking designs and innovative solutions. His contributions to the industry have focused on enhancing productivity and sustainability. One of his notable creations is a range of advanced material handling equipment that maximizes efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. Pitkäranta's machines are designed with precision engineering and incorporate the latest technology to ensure optimal performance. Hemostitch Cleaner. The Hemostitch Cleaner is an essential machine for maintaining and cleaning ditches and drainage systems. This powerful equipment is designed to remove debris, sediment, and vegetation from ditches, ensuring proper water flow and preventing flooding. Its robust design and advanced features make it capable of handling even the most challenging cleaning tasks. SNPC Mobile Clay Brick Making Machine. The SNPC Mobile Clay Brick Making Machine is a revolutionary piece of equipment designed to produce high-quality clay bricks on-site. This mobile machine allows for the production of bricks directly at the construction site, reducing transportation costs and ensuring a steady supply of building materials. Its innovative design and efficient operation make it an invaluable tool for large-scale construction projects. Bonell Industries V-Box Spreader with Stand. The Bonell Industries V-Box Spreader with Stand is a versatile and efficient machine designed for spreading materials such as salt, sand, and gravel. This spreader is essential for winter maintenance, road construction, and landscaping projects, providing precise and consistent material distribution. Its robust construction and advanced features ensure reliable performance even in the toughest conditions. Terramac Rotating Crawler Carrier. The Terramac Rotating Crawler Carrier is a game-changer in the field of material transport and handling. This innovative machine features a rotating bed that allows for precise placement of materials in any direction, enhancing efficiency and reducing the need for repositioning. Its rugged design and powerful tracks enable it to navigate challenging terrains with ease. Gersvang Maskiner Apps Surface Reflector Posts Mower. The Gersvang Maskiner Apps Surface Reflector Posts Mower is a specialized machine designed for maintaining road reflectors and markers. This mower is equipped with precision blades and advanced controls, allowing it to trim vegetation around reflectors without causing damage. Its efficient design ensures that road markers remain visible and effective, enhancing road safety. The Surface Reflector Post Mower is easy to operate and can be adjusted to different heights and angles, ensuring thorough and precise trimming. Metec Metal Technology Single Auger Box Blower Hydraulic. The Metec Metal Technology Single Auger Box Blower Hydraulic is a powerful machine designed for snow removal and material handling. This hydraulic blower features a single auger system that efficiently moves snow and other materials, providing a reliable solution for clearing roads, driveways, and walkways. Its robust construction and advanced hydraulic controls ensure consistent and efficient performance. Embry Attachments. Concrete Pulverizer. The Embry Attachments Concrete Pulverizer is a powerful demolition tool designed to break down concrete structures and recycle materials. This robust attachment is equipped with heavy-duty jaws and hydraulic power, allowing it to crush concrete and separate rebar with ease. Its efficient design and reliable performance make it an essential tool for demolition and recycling projects. The concrete pulverizer is easy to attach to various types of heavy machinery, providing flexibility and convenience. Helen Sutton Excavator Rock Ripper. The Helen Sutton Excavator Rock Ripper is a specialized attachment designed for breaking and removing rock formations. This powerful tool is equipped with reinforced teeth and hydraulic power, allowing it to penetrate and break through tough rock surfaces. Its robust design and efficient performance make it an essential tool for excavation and mining projects. The Rock Ripper is easy to attach to excavators, providing versatility and convenience for operators. Yarwood's Excavator Attachments Pile Cropper. The Yarwood's Excavator Attachments Pile Cropper is a specialized tool designed for cutting and trimming concrete piles. This powerful attachment is equipped with precision blades and hydraulic power, allowing it to cut through concrete with ease. Its efficient design and reliable performance make it an essential tool for foundation and construction projects. The pile cropper is easy to attach to excavators, providing flexibility and convenience for operators. Its precision blades ensure clean and accurate cuts, reducing the need for manual labor and rework. Volkerink Haino Tractor with an Autopilot on RTK GPS Tracker. The Volkerink Haino Tractor with an Autopilot on RTK GPS Tracker is a cutting-edge machine designed for precision agriculture and land management. This advanced tractor is equipped with GPS technology and autopilot capabilities, allowing for precise control and navigation. Its innovative design and efficient performance make it an essential tool for modern farming practices. The RTK GPS Tracker provides real-time positioning and guidance, ensuring accurate planting, fertilizing, and harvesting. Nimatec Paver Laying Clamp. The Nimatec Paver Laying Clamp is a specialized tool designed for the efficient installation of paving stones and slabs. This powerful clamp is equipped with adjustable grips and hydraulic power, allowing it to lift and place pavers with precision. Its efficient design and reliable performance make it an essential tool for landscaping and construction projects. Verachterd Nederland Concrete Pipe Lifter. The Verachterd Nederland Concrete Pipe Lifter is a specialized tool designed for the safe and efficient handling of concrete pipes. This powerful lifter is equipped with hydraulic power and adjustable grips, allowing it to lift and transport pipes with ease. Its robust design and reliable performance make it an essential tool for construction and infrastructure projects. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.